On this machine with Fanuc Series 32 IV, we're gonna see how to back up CNC data. First, you need to make sure your data and timing are correct. There is another video showing that. And now we have to go to edit mode, and let's go to system. In system, you might be in another menu or page other than the main menu. So let's press again system, and here we have all options that we can save either into the USB that is already inserted on the PMC card or PMC compact flash card. So we have NC data, parameters, conversation data, MAPPS data. We have 2 pages, but let me show you. Here only this option, software changes content. You only have a read option, and let's page down, and we have a shortcut key name. Everything is gonna be on the USB memory. So let's go back and start doing all the backups. If you already have any file or backup on the USB memory, it's gonna ask you to overwrite it. So let's press punch and execute, and now you can do the same process with any single data. Let's say I wanna restore the program, NC program, then you need to do the reverse process, read, and there you have all the data or structure that the CNC is gonna create on the USB. So today is 25th July, and the time is okay. So let's cancel here, and let's create the offset and punch and execute. And here is telling you the name of that file that is gonna be created or overwritten. Let's check. In some cases, like in this one, to restore the offsets, you need to be with the machine in emergency stop. So let's read, and you see we have the offsets. So not all the data like the programs, but some of them you are gonna need to be in this condition. Edit mode, emergency, and that's it. Okay, thank you.